Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app location tracking in Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. So in the first step, open the settings, then look for the apps and notifications. Oh, sorry, on the apps. And now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking, like Google Chrome. Then choose the permissions. And as you can see, the Google Chrome have a location permission in the allowed on my device, so if you want to deny it, just tap on it and select don't allow. Choose don't allow anyway, and with this location permission setup, the Google Chrome or any other app cannot track anymore. You can also check all the apps with the location permission by this button. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.